Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Nate here with Nate's Tech Update, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating the new features found in iOS 5 Beta 3. Now I'd like to take the time to apologize for the delay on getting this video up. I just got back from camp, and this beta came out last week and I was pretty tired, so I apologize for the delay on that. But nonetheless, there aren't really too many notable features found in iOS 5 Beta 3 as compared to Beta 1 and Beta 2. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So the first new feature found in iOS 5 Beta 3 comes from the Personal Setup section. Now during the personal setup process, you are asked about location services. Right from the get-go, Apple is asking for your consent on whether or not you want location services to be enabled or disabled. So I went ahead and enabled it. So that's pretty much everything that's new with the personal setup. Let's go ahead and check out the new features in the actual OS itself. So upon updating to iOS 5 Beta 3, the first thing that you're going to notice is the Reminders application. It now has a new look. And that's pretty much it for the home screen. Now let's dive into settings. Let's head into General here. And now when you click on Software Update, it'll check for an update and it'll tell us that we are on the current version. While in the previous betas it did not do that. So let's just wait for that to load up here. And as you can see here, it now says iOS 5, your software is up to date. Now let's head into iTunes Wi-Fi Sync. Now at this point I have not enabled iTunes Wi-Fi Sync with Beta 3 yet, so this image now appears prompting me to plug my iDevice into iTunes. Next, let's head into sounds. There are two new ringtones or text tones that you can now use. First one is Sherwood Forest. And the next one is Tweet. So two new text tones. Next up, let's head into the Mail application. Now, when you're in your mailbox, you now have the option to actually add a new mailbox within the Mail application itself, while beforehand you actually had to go through settings and add a new mail account. So now you can just click on Edit, New Mailbox, and enter in the mailbox right into the application. So that's pretty convenient. And last but not least, I wanted to demo a new feature found in the Settings application called Assistive Touch. Assistive Touch is going to be great for people who have a broken iDevice in which certain buttons on the actual hardware don't work. For example, let's say I had a volume rocker that didn't work. In order for me to actually do that now, I can enable Assistive Touch, click on Device, and turn the volume up and turn the volume down. So this is going to be great for two kinds of people, maybe somebody who has a disability who has trouble actually pressing these buttons, or for someone who has a device that actually is broken and isn't working properly. This will allow them to actually enable all these settings just by tapping on a button. So that's pretty much an overview of the new features in iOS 5 Beta 3. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about these features, and if you have any questions I'll be sure to answer them for you. Please like the video and subscribe, and as always, have a nice day.